Karthik was confused. He made good videos, but people were not clicking them. His titles looked fine, but his thumbnails were not working. He learned something important. Thumbnails are the first thing people see. They are like the gateway for everything. If they do not feel curious or clear, people keep scrolling. Many creators add too much text, small faces, or many colors in one picture. This makes the thumbnail hard to understand in 1 second. A good thumbnail shows one clear idea, one face, one emotion, one problem with big words, simple background. Another mistake is copying others without meaning. Your thumbnail must match your video and promise something useful. When viewers know what they will get and feel curious, they click. Thumbnails are not about looking pretty, they are about stopping the scroll. When you make the thumbnail simple and clear, clicks go up. YouTube tests your videos more and growth starts.